Hi everyone. In continuation with the lecture series Cloud Architecture Layers and Models, the topic 4 will be Infrastructure as a Service. It is one of the service provided by the cloud. So infrastructure as a service. It provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. So cloud providers, they itself, they manage the physical infrastructure like servers, networks and storages. Users only can rent and configure virtual machines, storage and fundamental IT resources on demand. So infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing service model that gives virtualized computing resources over the web. So with IaaS, associations can get to and manage versatile infrastructure as virtual machines, storage and networking administrator. So without the need to put resources into or keep up with actual equipment. So IaaS allows businesses to outsource their whole IT infrastructure to a cloud service provider, empowering them to arrange, deploy and manage computing resources on demand. So this adaptability allows organizations to increase their infrastructure down in view of fluctuating interest. So pay just for the resources they consume and keep away from the expenses and intricacies related to it customary on-premises infrastructure. So next, the key characteristics of infrastructure as a service. So we are accessing the cloud on demand basis. So with IaaS, users can get to processing resources on demand, so allowing them to rapidly arrangement and deploy infrastructure components depending on the situation. So this disposes of the requirement for fortnight interest equipment and empowers quick scaling to meet changing workload demands. Second one is the on-demand provisioning, as we seen already. So in virtual infrastructure, it provides virtual machines in order to utilize for the user. Self-service provisioning, IaaS platforms offer self-support interfaces, for example, online interfaces or APIs that empower users to freely arrangement and manage systems resources. So this self-service model engages users to control the infrastructure deployments without depending on IT administrators. Next is the scalability. So scalability means IaaS platforms regularly offer level adaptability, allowing users to scale resources up or down based on demand. So this adaptability ensures that associations can deal with changes in responsibility without encountering margin time or execution corruption. Pay as you go provisioning. So IaaS providers normally utilize a pay per use billing model where users can change on the actual use of computing resources. So this utilization based estimating model offers cost effectiveness and associations just compensation for the resources they consume as opposed to putting resources into excess limit. So next, in cloud computing, we are having mainly 5 characteristics: so on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity and measured service. In terms of service models, they provide software as a service, platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. So in deployment models, they provide private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud and multi-cloud architecture. So these three mainly defines the cloud computing. So examples of IaaS providers are Amazon Web Services, AWS EC2, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines and Google Compute Engine, Salesforce and Data Services. They are all providing services as an infrastructure. So mainly 5 components are there in IaaS: compute, storage, networking, security and data center management. So these 5 components build up our IaaS services. So what are all the benefits of IaaS are: cost saving solutions we will achieve, and scalability is a main important benefit of IaaS, and we can easily control and customize our services there, and it reach up to global. So even a disaster The recovery methodologies can be implemented to take our data. So what are the use case of IaaS are? So development and testing side and hosting websites and applications, big data processing, backup and recovery. So IaaS is more benefit for businesses that are dealing with full control over their IT infrastructure, avoiding the complexity, and the expenses of maintaining physical hardware is less here. So it offers flexible, scalable and cost efficient solutions in terms of fluctuating workloads. Thank you.